Hello and welcome to our digital twin demo featuring Microsoft HoloLens. My name is Oliver Staude, and in the next couple of minutes I'm going to show you some really fancy things with a 3D model, with a 3D representation of a physical model we have here in place. In my back you will see a physical model we have here. We have water tanks. We can pump water from this tank up to this tank, and with opening a valve here, we can release the water or let the water flow from the upper tank to the lower tank. So we are able, you can see that on the screen, the representation. You can see our 3D model of our 3D twin of our physical model here. I am able to control this model now with this digital twin, with this holographic representation. And you can see if I'm doing that, this is called an air tap. This is like a mouse click in the air. I can highlight some things here, and then I go over to this context menu called upper valve, and I'm going to the open close button, and then you can hear something with some air because there's a pneumatic valve which I can control. What I'm going to show you is here, when I'm tapping on the tanks, you will see the water levels. And because I've opened the valve now, the water level in the upper tank is declining, and in the down or in the tank below, it's rising. And if I close the valve once more, you can see that the tank level will stay. Okay, that's essentially it. And my colleague Markus Malicek will tell you something more about the control behind that.
Hi, my name is Markus Malicek. I am also working for FNet Silica as an FAE, and my colleague Oliver Staude introduced just before the HoloLens, and I would like to introduce a controlling system which is behind the HoloLens. So here we have an FPGA board which has a Cortex A9 inside and is running a Linux system. And on top of the Linux system is running an Apache web server and a PHP system. Also added to the system are some scripts based on PHP, which are called from the HoloLens. The scripts are calling I/O functionality on the Infineon 24-volt I/O boards, which is controlling the pump and the valve, which we have seen before. And the fill level is measured by analog boards from Maxim and is transferred to the HoloLens to show the fill level in the graphical view.